Good morning! And welcome to Portugal. Welcome to Lagos in Portugal. Now I'm down to explore the beach. Over there is a town of Lagos. Other side of the marina. I'm on the peninsula on the other side, walking down to my first beach in Portugal. Already got the sand under my feet. Been a few early morning joggers. Tried to take the get the morning light. Wow! Wow! Oh, cut that for a beautiful beach. Oh, wow. This is how I like my beaches. Wow, that is a fantastic beach, and that is right close to the village or town of Lagos. So you can walk to there from Lagos, and we're going to do it in reverse. We're going to walk from the beach through the marina and into the town of Lagos and just show you what the town's like and a few of the things you can see around the town. So come on, let's get going. Lagos town, the old town, really comes to life in the late afternoon and early evening when the street cafes start to fill up. You get musicians on the street, shops are still open. It's nearly 9 o'clock in the evening, a beautiful summer's evening. Okay, the best steak in town. Shall we test them out? Thank you. Wow, that was a lovely meal. It was 45 euros, which is quite expensive, but it was a lovely 300-gram steak, cooked perfectly, half a litre of wine and some water, and a dessert. And I am so full, I'm going to wobble home. But I'm going to wobble home through the streets of Lagos to show you what it's like in the evening. Quite pretty.